All right, this is Paul Stanley, Potomac Custom Remodeling. It is 94225, it's approximately 78 degrees outside. Claim number 0788234978. We're attempting, this is a wind damage siding. We're attempting to detach and reset to see if it's viable. Looks like we got some
cracking there.
Cracking, so we have brittle siding. We're gonna attempt to just reattach this with our tool. Yeah.
No, it's not gonna.
Yeah, it's pretty brittle.
It's not gonna reattach.
Okay.
Won't lock.
And then I'll try to lock it down. So, yeah, okay. And then we're gonna come down here. So that was a lot of the wind blows up towards the top here. It looks like we don't have any underlayment. Obviously this is missing right here as we've recorded before. We're gonna go ahead and do a detach and reset of a regular piece that's slightly wind blown over here. Here we go. Absolutely no house wrap behind there.
Got a weird pry bar there. You hear the pry bar is weird.
It's a roof snake, that's why.
It's cracked here.
Yep, I can't even right at the J channel.
Yeah.
Or that corner post.
Yeah.
Oh my god. We can just reattach it the best you can at this point. I don't even want to. All right, so let's see here. All right, so we sitting here attempting a detach and reset on this siding. I'm trying to do it carefully, but it's 30-year-old siding, so it's pretty brittle. We're just gonna go ahead and wrap it up here. So I'd consider this.
Did you get the
repairability? Oh yeah, let's see.
house wrap?
Yeah, none anywhere. No house wrap. House isn't up to code that way. So not only did we figure out that the house isn't up to code behind this siding, but the siding is irreparable because of how brittle it is. It does not pop in. It needs to be replaced. So we would consider this a fail.